Observation. All right. All fine now? All fine, sir. Sure. Okay, so yesterday I was telling you about maths, right? Like most of here has problem in maths, right? Maths and English. So like I am for few days only here. So I thought, not to waste time much, and I thought let contribute some of my ideas to you so that it would be helpful for you. Okay. So first of all, in maths, okay, I know, I hope all of you know what topics are there in maths, right? Like maths first, maths is divided in two topics. Like first is arithmetic, right? Okay, and next is advanced math. Okay, so two topics are there, arithmetic and advanced. I hope most of you have read at least some part of both of it, right? In arithmetic, we have percentage, SICI, then profit loss, right? All these things are there. And in advanced, we have geometry, trigonometry, then mensuration. Okay, so all of you have at least gone through both of the section once at least, right? And majorly, which section do you think it's more tough? Advanced. I feel it very arithmetic. Okay. For how many? Just raise your hands for arithmetic. Who find arithmetic tough? Okay, and who finds advanced tough? Okay, and rest of all finds both tough. Okay, all right. No issues. See, maths is easy if you will just you'll get to know about some basic things, right? Then it is very easy. So first most of the people are having trouble in advanced, right? So first we'll talk about advanced. Okay, I'll just tell you some quick directions in which you can channelize your preparation so that it will maximize your score in exams. Okay, so first, if I'll talk about arithmetic for advanced. In advanced, first of all, you have to be very sure about your basic mathematics understanding. In the sense, like if suppose any question is there, then with option also I can just eliminate 1 to 2 option. Like I was telling about some probability getting your answers right. Like if suppose 15 seconds are there and I have 4 options, but if suppose any question is written, suppose some area we have to find, and area of that fence is suppose some dimensions has been given, and it costs rupees 150. We'll take 153. We'll take, okay. Suppose 153. That fence is there. Suppose we have a park, and of which fencing has been was to be done, and suppose this is my a length and breadth of that park. Okay, and fencing has to be done. If suppose we have 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4. In those 4 options, how you can do this question just within 2 seconds is just check this, because whatever the fencing this perimeter will be calculated, it will be multiplied by this, right? For sure. And if then what I will check in those 4 options is the multiple of this number. Okay, right? So first tell me, okay, everyone know how to prime factorize any number, right? So how I will write it in is this number is in prime factor. Yeah, what? Yeah, so just tell me the prime factors of this, no? Yeah. Prime factors of 153. Yes. 51. Tell me. 51 into 3, right? Yes, 51 into 3. So first I will check, because 3 everyone know how we can check the divisibility of number 3, right? First, I will check by 3. If in 2 options I will find 2 numbers which are divisible by 3, then I will check divisible by 51. Okay, like this, without calculating, you can check your options. And this is how, if suppose I will do by layman method, then it will take me around 5 minutes. Okay, suppose I'm taking 5 minutes to solve this problem normally. But if you will do this things in your question, then if suppose in my 20 questions of question paper, if I am doing this in 2 questions only, then my 5 minutes will be reduced from 5 minutes to just 1 minute. Okay. Okay, you are getting the idea how you can, just same problem, same questions, but 2 persons are tackling it with different mindset. And if you are able to solve by this 2 problem only, then you are how minutes you are saving? 4 and 4, you are saving almost 8 minutes. If suppose a question takes 5 minutes of time. Okay, so this is how you should approach in advanced mathematics, and this can be used in arithmetic as well if question problems have some sort of relation with multiple of numbers. All right, then okay. One thing I've told you about this. Then if suppose in advanced mathematics, okay, what all things are there in advanced mathematics? Just tell me. Like what topics do we have? Yes, trigonometry, and then logs. Okay, then surface area and mensuration. Okay, we'll start by trigonometry. Do you know about magic triangles? Like if suppose right angle triangle is there, suppose I am having a right angle triangle, okay, and this is 90, right? And if suppose this is 30, okay, then this will be 60, right? If see magic triangles, how this works is, if suppose I am having all about triplets, right? I hope you know what triplets are. 3, 4, 5, 12, 5, 13, then 21, 20, and 20, 29, right? I hope all you know, right? By Pythagoras triplet. Yes, only 2, 3 heads are moving. You don't know about Pythagoras triplet? Pythagoras triplet? How many of here you know about Pythagoras triplet? I hope you know, right? But at least you know what Pythagoras triplet are, right? That if suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, then A square plus B square equals to C square. Everyone knows this, right? So there are triplet means the value which satisfies this equation. Which equation? A square plus B square equals to C square, right? So triplet are just those numbers. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So triplet are just those numbers which satisfy this equation. Okay, like suppose we have 3, 4, and 5. Right? 3, 4, 5 satisfy this, and you can take any multiple of this 3, 4, 5. Like suppose 6, 8, 10. Right? This will satisfy. If suppose I am multiplying this number with 11, then also it will satisfy. Okay, right? So like this 3, 4, 5, we have many other triplets as well. Like sir has given you some notes and all, no? It might be there in those notes. Okay, let's not waste our time, but I'm telling you, these triplets are very important while solving any problem which is related to triangles, especially triangles. How? Like suppose if my degrees are this, first we'll talk about these degrees. If 60 and 30 are there, then okay, then if suppose we have 30 and 60 degrees here, then generally what values this triangle, why I'm telling this as a magic triangle is because if suppose I'm writing 30, 60, and 90, okay, what value this will satisfy is 1, √3, and 2. just write in front of this like 30, 1, 2, 3, and 2. Okay. Now you just solve in your copy and check whether this satisfies or not. Check whether this satisfies in this equation or not. A square plus b square equals to c square. Okay. Is it satisfying, right? Satisfying, right? 4 equals to 4. Okay. Okay. If suppose, just, okay, now write a question. A ladder of 80 meter. A ladder of 80 meter is standing against a wall. A ladder of 80 meter is standing against a wall at a height above the ground of 20 meters. Above the ground of 20 meters. The height of 20 meters above the ground. It is leaning on that surface of wall above the ground 20 meters. Basically, I have given this value as 20. Okay. I hope everyone is getting this. Then find the distance of the foot of ladder from the wall. Sure. Check. Root 60. 20. Okay, we'll see. 100. Check once. Yeah. Root 2. 100. I don't know. I'll check. How many of you got answer? At least whatever you are getting. Yeah. Answer? 100 root 2. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. How many of you at least imagine what question is telling? Like, are you able to visualize what is in the question? This is the first part. Before solving, you should at least imagine what is going on in the question. You should visualize. Okay, what is happening? You have to see ladder is there. It is standing against the wall, and some distance is given. Okay. So basically, if this is my ladder, this white one, if my white line is my ladder, and this is the point, okay, from earth, and this is the wall. This value I have given you how much? 80 meter. Right. This value I have given you how much? 20 meter. So I have to calculate this value. Right. Now, how have you done? 80 square minus 20 square, right? and then whole rule. Correct? This is the method of using those Pythagoras triplet. Okay, this is you have done by using the Pythagoras triplet. If suppose in this question I have written not 20 but suppose I have written 40, then what will be the answer? Tell me. Now I have changed the value. Then what is the answer? Okay, how many of you got like this? Tell me before. Everyone? At least everyone got from this, right? Everyone is getting the answer, right? 100 root 2. Yes. Yes. Root of
40 root
14 root
40 root
40 root 3. 40 root 3. How many of you getting 40 root 3? Okay. Yes, solve it. I have given you same thing. Just same thing. Solve it. Like you can use this formula, use this and solve. No. If you are not able to get the answer, then you can use the formula, right? A square plus b square equals to c square. Yes, 40. Yeah, 20 is 40. I have replaced 20 from 40. Okay. Yeah. 40 root 3. Okay. Anyone else getting 40 root 3? Only 2. 40 root 3. Okay, good. Now, those of you who got 40 root 3, if I have to ask, what is this angle? This angle. What is the angle at which the ladder is standing above the ground? Then, yeah. Then how will you? How? Yeah. Do it. Yes. What is the angle by which the ladder is standing against the wall?
6. 30.
30. Yeah. Anyone else? By what angle the ladder is standing up from the ground? I hope you are getting right what I am telling you. Yes. You got the angle? Yeah. Then calculate the angle. No idea. Hello. Yeah. Right now I'm giving a lecture. So then yes. What about angle? How many of you have? How many of you got the angle? Angle? No angle. Why? Okay. How many of you know this tan theta cos theta formula? Perpendicular by, then use that. Yeah, whatever, like perpendicular upon hypotenuse is for sine, right? Like I don't use this. Okay. Then I guess this is there, no? For sine, cos and tan. Yeah. Right. Sine, cos and tan. Right. Correct. I don't know. You can use anything. If you just need two values. From that you can calculate third, and then you can calculate the angle. Right. So that's how you have done, right? Anyone has done similar like him? You have done? No, you didn't got this. You're preparing for CDS, right? You have to improve your maths. Okay. And anyone else who got this? Very simple question. 30 degrees. Yeah. You help him. You're not getting angle. What about you? Okay. How many of you got this side? This side. How many of you got this side? Side was 40 root 3. 40 root 3. How many of you got 40 root 3? You got? No? 40 root 3. Didn't got what? 40 root 3 by using this, right? Okay. Now see. If suppose the same question is given to me, how will I solve? I've told you about the magic triangle, right? So first, what question is telling? This is 80 and this is 40, right? I don't have any information regarding this. The first thing which I will see here is I will check with the magic triangle, which I have told you earlier only that my magic triangle is for 30, then this is 60, and this is 90, right? So for 31, root 3 and 2. Okay. First, if you will check this 2, what is the difference? Just there, like this is basically twice of this, right? So first you have to see whether this is twice of this. Okay. Then this is how many times of this? Root 3 times of that. So directly my answer will come as 40 root 3. Okay. Okay. And this 1 root 3 2. This 1 root 3 2 always work for when this is my 30 degree. Okay. 1 root 3 2 always works for when this angle is 30, this is 90, and this will be automatically 60, right? So the moment I got this as my ratio is 1:2, like this, it is also having 1:2 ratio. Directly in 1 second, if I know this magic triangle, I will get to know this answer. In 2 seconds, I will write 40 root 3 answer. And if he will ask me about the angle, I will check with this. Again, I know the magic triangle, straightforward, it will come as 30 degrees. Okay. You got how much time I am taking and how much time you guys are taking. So this is the use of this magic triangle. Okay, like this same triangle can be given like this as well. Don't get ever confused. This they will give 60, this they will give 30, and this is 90. Always remember how to remember all. You can remember like 30, then 60, then 90. It is in increasing order, 30, 60, 90. Even if I could will tell that, okay, this is in increasing order. Same you write 1, root 3 and 2. This number is also in increasing order, right? Because if root 3 is nothing but 1.73. So all three numbers are in increasing format. So all you have to do, if suppose this is my 60, what I will write in front of 60? Root 3. What I will write in front of 30? 1. And what I will write in front of 90? Okay. Same question. If suppose in that same question, if my distance from the wall is 80, okay, let's take this is 80. Then what is the length of my ladder?
160.
Yes, 160. Sure, 160. Sure. Yes, yeah, double of it. In the same figure, I am telling you, in the same figure, if this question has been given and 80 is my distance from the wall, then this is 160. What is the height? Height?
80 root 3.
80 root 3, not 40 root 3. Always remember when we are having this triangle, this is, if suppose this is 30, 60, this is 90, right? So 1, root 3 and then 2. Always remember with the angle, because they can, in question paper, they can make it like this as well. This is 30, this is 60, and this is 90. So this is 1, root 3 and 2. You can get confused in these two. That's why I am focusing more about angle. First, you get your angles correct, then you draw the figure. Then any value, if they are giving any one value or any two value, you can get everything. What is the angle? How much distance it is from the wall? At what height it is from the ground? Okay. Everyone is following me, right? Now, if suppose, okay, there is one more triangle which you need to know. This 30, 60, and 90. This is the tougher one. Simpler one is 1, 1, root 2. This is for 45 degrees. Okay, this is for when both the angles are 45 and this is 90. Okay, so you write this two triangles in your notebook. This is the first and this is second, which I have told you earlier. Done? Yes. Yeah, if this is 40 and this is 20, and is this 60 or not? It depends on this as well. Whether this is 60 or not. If this is 30, then you can use this triangle, right? Same figure. Let me know. This is 30. This is 60. 90, so 1, root 3, and 4. If this is, then your question will take this triangle. But if not, why I'm telling you, I have given so many exams, they will ask mostly around this triangle. They won't ask outside of this. And the moment you'll see the questions, no, you will get this idea. This okay, this is multiple of, this is double of this. This is root 3 of this. Somehow you will get this. Okay, so all you need to do is observe while solving the questions. Okay. Yeah.
If the bottom is 32 meters and the top is 60 meters,
Yeah.
what would be the sound?
Then you have to use the Pythagoras also. But nobody in whoever is designing exam question paper, he will not ask about this, because in that case you have to use the Pythagoras triplet, like Pythagoras theorem. But mostly questions will be regarding this only. Okay, in that case you can do those things, right? But what I am telling you, questions mostly they will ask from this one. Okay, we'll go to the second level also. First, this is clear, right, for you? Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, you got. Yes, please.
What if the case is they given only one variable, like they given only one?
Yeah.
Can we able to apply like root 3 and 2? Can we able to?
No, they will definitely, they will give two values for sure. Any two values, but they will give. You might have solved questions like this before, right? Like the ladder is leaning against the wall, and then they will ask us to find some distance, either the height or the length from the wall. Okay. Yes. Yeah, height and distance. So earlier, did you know this thing? This magic triangle? No.
We used to learn the cos, degrees of sin theta, cos theta.
We have to apply Pythagoras theorem and step by step.
Yeah, so that's what. No, what is the difference between the person who is getting selected and who is getting not? These things matter. So that's why I thought, like yesterday I came, I thought I have a very small session. Let me give some few tips and tricks which you guys can use in your examination. So this too is okay. Okay, now we'll go to level second. If suppose we have two buildings, okay, here. Just draw this diagram. Yes. Yeah.
So to find FV, we should have some information.
No, like okay, this. See, I am not giving you word problems. I'm just giving you the information which you can deduce from the word problem. So basically, there are two buildings.
AC length is 60 meters.
What? Yeah, this AC is 60. AC length is 60. Okay, I hope everyone. This is A, B, C, D. This is 45. D, B, C is 45. This BC is 30. Then AC is 60. Okay, sorry, this is not degree. Okay, yeah, this is 80 meter. Sorry, 60 meter. Okay, 60 meter AC is 60 meter. This is 30 meter. And you have to find the DC and the length of DC and AB. Okay. What? Use those triangles. Just observe the triangle and then see this question properly.
But there is no value for B.
BD, no. Sorry? What? DC? 30, okay, and AB is
30 root. 30 root. AB is
Okay.
30 root.
AB is
30 root.
30 root 3 and DC? DC 30. How many of you got this answer?
Sir, I got the AB, but DC I didn't get.
Okay, no problem. Okay, how many of you got AB? Only AB. Okay, AB. And how many DC? Okay, so and what have you used? Those two triangles, right? Those triangles has helped, right? If suppose you are solving this question from Pythagoras or something, it will take how much time and effort, and then also it is not sure whether you will land upon correct answer or not, right? So now everyone pay attention here. If suppose this is my 30, this is 45. The moment you see 45, no, 45 is like your glorious number. You should, your eyes should shine while looking at 45, because 45 is 1 only. Straight away without wasting 1 second, this is my 30 meter, right? 40, because 45, this will be also 45, and this is my 90, of course. So by in that 45 magic triangle, this is 30, so this is also 30. Then if suppose in this case, I will ask you what is the length of DB. Then 30 root 2, right? Right? 30 root 2. Then what is, okay, you didn't got AB, right? DC. DC, everyone now understood how I got DC? And what about AB? AB everyone got, right? Just I have given the multiple of 1 root 2, 1 root 3 and 2. So this is 30 root 3, right? Right? Everyone got by those two triangles. Okay. So this is the maximum they can ask in the examination. And just by those two triangles, you can solve similar questions like this. Like if suppose, let's take one more example. Like you must have seen this question, right? Like this is a lighthouse and a boat is here. Okay, boat is here, and this is my lighthouse, and the angle from boat to lighthouse is suppose 45 degree. Okay, let's see. This is 45, and the distance is, let's take some distance is 100 meter. Okay, distance is 100 meter, and if suppose this boat travels from this place to this place, an angle changes to 60 degree. Okay, and time taken to travel from this point to this point is 1 hour. Okay, then what is the speed of boat? Everyone got at least what question is asking? Right? This looks like the time distance question, no? Arithmetic. But see how we'll solve with triangle. Okay, everyone got what question is asking? Sorry. If you want, I can dictate and you can write as well. You want me to dictate, or you understood the question? Basic, basic thing is this. What I want is you should develop this. Yeah. Yeah.
1 by 10 is kilometer per hour.
1 by 1 by 10 kilometer per hour. Let's see. How many of you at least got something like not getting anything? This one kind of tough problem, but we'll see the approach. Basically, approach you should learn. Done. What same answer?
I don't know. I got 10 by 9 plus 3 meter per minute.
Per minute. Calculate in kilometer per hour. Per hour, yeah. I hope all of you know how to convert meter per second or meter per minute to kilometer per hour and all. right? Divide by 60 into 1000 and all. You can do that, right? Yes. Anyone still solving? Yeah, now look at it. Hello. Yeah. Now everyone. Now see, here I have given everyone. Okay. This is my 100 meter. Okay. From this to this is I have given 100 meter, right? So from 45, in 1 second you got to know the height of lighthouse is 100 meter. Correct. I hope nobody got problem in this, right? Okay. So you are halfway there. Just in some 50% problem, you just lost it somewhere. Now, if you got that 100, right? Just remember that 100. And what we are left with now is this is my 60, right? 60, 30, and 90. This is my 100, right? So if then again 30, 60, and 90. 1, √3, 2. If my √3 is 100, what will be the value of this? 100 by √3? 100 by √3? Okay. 100 by √3. Okay. This is my 100 by √3. And in the question, it was given that this was 45, right? And this was 1 hour. Time was 1 hour. So basically, if I will calculate this distance, we can get to know the answer. So basically, this is my 100 √3, right? From this to this, and this is my 100. So all you have to do is 100 minus 100 √3, 100 divided by √3, right? You'll calculate this. I hope you can calculate that. This distance is in meter, right? So whatever distance you got, divided by 1 is your speed of the boat. So how much you are getting?
So we should convert into kilometer.
Yeah.
Then kilometer, then by what?
You can do anything. You can yeah, of course, because if you'll convert it in kilometer, then 1 hour is there, then kilometer per hour, you'll get the answer. So we'll check the answer now. So 100 minus 100 √3. You can do whatever thing, 100 take 100 common, then √3 minus 1 upon √3, right? So this is 0.73 and divided by 1.73, and this is 73 divided by 1.73. Okay, so 17 times how much? 17 fours it is going, right? 40 and 28. Yeah, almost 668. So almost 40, 68 and 50. So almost 43. Yeah, 43 something. Okay, 43 point something you are getting. I hope you can calculate this, right? Dividing it by 1.73 is not a big task for you. Okay. So you are getting somewhat 44 meter per hour speed. Okay. Here I have taken some values, but all you have to do is at least you got the concept, right? How I am finding this distance by using the magic triangle formula, right? So this is how you can use this magic triangle, not in your advanced, but in arithmetic as well. Okay, yeah.
I have a doubt on 100 √3.
100. Okay, how many of you are still having doubt on 100 by √3? 100 by √3. You didn't got 100 by √3. How many of you got how I calculated 100 by √3? 100 by √3. Okay, we'll discuss 100 by √3. This is my 60, right? This is 30 automatically. Then this was my 100, right? At least you got the height of the lighthouse was 100 meter. If this is 100 meter, then I've told you the triangle, right? Magic triangle. This is 60, 30. So 1 √3, 2, right? if suppose I am dividing all this 3 by root 3, let's suppose, then what will I get? 1 root 3, sorry, 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3, right? Right. So in this case, this is my 100, then this will be 100 divided by root 3. Okay. Or else, if suppose you are not able to comprehend this, then we can do one more thing. Like if suppose, at least you got this right, that this is 100, this is 60, right? So if suppose this is 60, then you just forget about, for 1 second, you forget about 100. This is 60, this is root 3, this is 1, this is 2, right? This is my root 3. So if my 100 is root 3, then 1 will be of what value? I hope you know how to do this unitary method. This is called as unitary method. Suppose this is my x, so you just have to cross multiply. Root 3 into x equals to 100. So x equals to 100 divided by root 3. Okay. Now I hope everyone should get it. This is the easiest way I can tell you. Everyone now got how 100 by root 3 came? Then the moment you got this distance, you have this distance, you can calculate this one, right? Just by subtracting. Okay. So this was the funda for magic triangle. If suppose, all right. So we have talked about magic triangles. Okay. Now I hope everyone, you at least got the concept of magic triangles, right? Suppose in questions, the moment you see 60, 45, and if some relation 1, 2 or 1 root 2 kind of thing, you can calculate. Let's suppose I have a square. Okay. And ABC, square is ABC. If AC is given as, let's say 20 root 2, then what is the area of square? Calculate. AC is 2 root 2. Calculate the area of square. 400. 400. Yes. 400. 400. Root 2. Calculate. You can do, like, today is the day, on which you should do at your copy, in your copy. On exam, if you are doing this mentally, then it's fine. Yeah, just draw the figure, take it as 20 root 2, and then see, then just observe what you can do. Yes. What else? How much? Okay. Oh, 400. How you got? Yeah, side square. But how you got side?
20 root 2 is magical triangle. So it was 60.
It's 60.
Sorry, 40. I have to plus 45. 45.
Okay. Yeah.
So one side it was the AC was 20 root 2. Then DC will be, or AD will be is
20. Yeah. Now look here, everyone. Everyone got 400 now.
Yes, sir.
How many of you got 400? All of you got. You just saw the application of magic triangle here. Those who didn't got triangle, this I had given you, right? This is my 20√2, right? And this is my AC, B and C. Suppose I am taking this triangle. Square, we know about square is this is 90, this is 45, and this is also 45. The moment I am seeing 45, this is 20, because in right angle triangle, when it is 45 degrees, 1/√2. So this is 20, this is 20. Your answer is 400. Area of the triangle. Right? Right? If everyone got this? Now, if suppose I have another question, that I have a triangle. Sorry, I have a rectangle. And this is my 60 degree. Okay. And here AO is given as 10 meter. Okay. Now find the area of rectangle. Yeah, area of rectangle. We have to calculate area, okay? I hope everyone knows. Radius 80 root 80. I don't know, I have to check. Let's see. Concept should be here. That's all. $100√3. $100√3. Okay, let's check. Okay, now everyone here. Everyone, pay attention here. Now this AO, right? I hope in rectangle, you know, diagonal intersects, right? Basically, they bisect each other. So this is 10. So this is also 10. So my AC is 20. Okay. If my AC is 20, then we have to again form which triangle? This is my 60, right? So this is 60. So if suppose my A is this, B is this, and C is this, right? This right angle triangle, this right angle triangle. I hope you are seeing this, right? So ABC, this is my 90, my angle A is 60. This is 60. So this is 30. 1 root 3, 2. This is my 2, right? 2 is 20, right? So 1 is 10. And so root 3 is 10 root 3, right? So basically here I got CB. Where is my CB? CB is 10 root 3. And this is I got 10, right? Then answer is? Sorry. Okay, AB test. No. AB is 10 and this is 10. Okay. Still you will get same answer. Okay. But you got the funda behind it, right? How just with a little piece of information, I am able to calculate many things here. Right? Okay, let's do one more problem. I hope everyone here knows what is circumcenter and in radius, right? Okay, if someone doesn't know, then if suppose this is my triangle, and if you draw a circle inside this, and radius of this is circumcenter or in center? Yes, this is my in center, right? This is my in center, and if this is my circle, so my radius will be this, right? My radius will be this, right? The yellow one, and this is my circumradius. This is in center. I hope all of you know this already. By same logic, we will do problem of this as well. Now see. Okay, and one more thing, I guess so that you should know that in a equilateral triangle, okay, what is the formula for the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square. If suppose this is my a, right? Now here also see, you see this root 3. This root 3 is here also. You know, so you can get any questions from this as well. And if suppose you know how this like this, how this formula has come. This has come from only that half into base into height only. I hope everyone knows this, right? If this is my a, okay, then this is a by 2, and you can calculate this by using Pythagoras, right? A square minus a by 2 whole square under root, whole under root. Then you will get height of equilateral triangle is nothing but root 3 a, right? This is the height of equilateral triangle. Okay, and one more thing. If in an equilateral triangle I am drawing a incircle, okay, then what is the radius of the incircle of? No, not half. No. Yeah. Yeah, this is 3:1 only. If suppose this is my whole is 3, then this is 1 and this is 2. Basically, this height is divided into 2:1 ratio. If this is my midpoint of this in circle, I hope you all are getting this, right? Not very complex, right? All I wanted to tell you is that in center, if this for equilateral triangle, only for equilateral triangle, if my in center is 1, then my this circumcenter will be 2 only, because this is my 1:2, right? This is 1, this is 2. Height is dividing in 1:2 ratio, right? So my in center will be, in circle will be formed like this, and my circumcircle will be formed like this, right? Okay. Just assume this is a circle. It is looking at like potato, but just assume. Okay, you're getting this, right? Okay. Now we'll do the problem. If suppose I have a okay, and yes, I want to calculate the area of this circle. Area of the circle. Area of circle. Yes. Calculate. Let's see. How will you do? Yeah, 60 is the length of triangle. I am giving you in this question, your information is just a triangle is there. Circle is basically a triangle is inside a circle whose one side is 60 and one angle is 45 and this is 90. Okay, let's see. So what is the area? What?
So 900 by 900.
Okay, let's see. Yes. How many of you got? Got? Yes, you. Yeah. No. Okay, look here. Now see here, one interesting property has been used. Not property, but you should know this. This is very, very basic. If suppose okay, this is 90, right? Everyone here, you should know that if a triangle is there, oh sorry, if circle is there and any triangle which is making a 90-degree in a circle, then this my longest side, which is hypotenuse of this triangle, is always diameter, right? So simply you have given diameter here, right? So what will be my radius? 30.
60 by 4,
Then area will be
pi r square.
pi r square. Pi r square. basically pi and 30 square, basically 900 pi. So this is a simple property which all you should know. But if suppose in this case, okay, suppose in this case the question can be changed like this. If this is my 30 degree, if this is my 30 degree, then what will be the area? Tell me. Tell me. Yeah. So answer will be, tell me the answer now. You all are getting the concept, right? Concept is getting inside your brain, right? What is this? Yes. How much? 4? 450. Okay, we'll see. If this is 30, this is 45, this is 45, this is also 30, and this is 30 root 2 divided by 2, basically 15 root 2 whole square into pi. This is my area of circle, right? So this is nothing but 225 into 2 is 450 pi. Okay, right? So see where this question, where what we were learning was triangle, but how it is, making us, helping us in calculating circle also. So that's why I'm telling these two diagram is very helpful in mathematics. You can use it in, from arithmetic to advanced, you can use it in number of questions. Like if suppose I have one more problem. Okay, I have a equilateral triangle here, and this is my, let's take this is 30. Okay, let's take this is 30, and I have to find, this is 30. This is the only information which has been given in the question. This is 30, and I have to find the area of circle, and let's suppose this is A, B, C, and O. This is D, and you have to find the length of AO as well. Can you find it? Let's see. Yes, anyone?
6750.
AO is 15 rupee. 15 rupee. Okay. We'll check. I don't know.
6015.
Yes, AO is 15 rupee. I don't know. Let's check. Two of you have got over. Might be. What have I done?
There's a move. Move. Move.
And
Move. Hand side. Hand side.
This. Oh.
Area is 450.
Okay. No. Yeah, area is
300 by
300 pi. Area of circle. Okay, let's check. See, this is equilateral triangle. I hope everyone, right? So equilateral triangle. So basically, this is 60. Okay, and here in this question, in this particular question, we are not using that magic triangles. Okay, I hope everyone we got to know about it. If this is my 30, so in a triangle which is equilateral, if this is 30, I had told you earlier, how can I calculate the, this is basically nothing but root 3 by 2a, right? So I got height of this, basically BD I got is root 3 by 2a, which is nothing but 15 root 3, right? 15 root 3, right? My BD height is 15 root 3. Okay, this is 15 root 3. And I had told you earlier, if suppose this is my triangle, then BO is to DO will be always 2:1, right? So how can I, and BO will always be equals to AO, correct? So how can I calculate BO if BD is given? It is 2/3 into 15 root 3. Correct? Correct? Everyone is following here? 5 10 root 3. Right? AO is 10 root 3 and AO is nothing but the radius of circle. So my area of circle will be 10 root 3 whole square into 5. Right? Everyone got this? Any doubt? Yes, any doubt? It's okay? Yeah. Okay? All right. Yeah. You want to note or you got it? Done. If suppose in the same question, I have given you 30, right? Okay, let's keep this. Yeah. So if in this triangle, same figure, if suppose this angle is 45, let's, okay, only this 45 is given, and let's take this as 8. 8 is, or take it 9 here. Take it as 9. If this is 9, if this AD is 9, only AD length is given and 45 angle is given, then what is the area? Again, what is the area of center? Find out. Let's see. And I hope you know, right? This is 90. Everyone knows this is 90. All right, now do. Let's see. Yeah. 162 pi. Okay, we'll see. Yes. 160? Root 5. 2 5. Oh, 162 by 5. Okay, we'll see. See here, I hope now you are comfortable with this triangle, magic triangle, right? Right. The moment you saw 45, 9, you can easily calculate this. This is nothing but 9 root 2, and you got the radius. You just have to 9 root 2 square into pi, right? 81 into 2 is 162 is the answer. Yeah, 162 pi is the answer. Okay, right? Okay, good. Now see, again, what I am doing here is making you observe things, which earlier you might not be able to see, but now you are comfortably seeing it. Okay. All right, now shall we take a break? Yeah, it's good for now. Okay, we'll take 10 minutes break and then we'll see. Okay. Yeah, can you help me with that recording? How to stop that recording? Stop.